It's currently raining here at Manali. So hey everyone, this is my first time using the GoPro which I got from Discovery, and so sorry if my frame is little to the left or right. I'm just, I'm not currently used to using my GoPro yet. So currently I'm here at Manali. I'm sponsored. This is a sponsored trip by @VOYAGERS_adventure. You should just check them out. I will link their Insta bio somewhere here. And with me there is Nikunj Bhai. He's currently talking on the phone, so I'll show you that. Yeah. Peace. Puppy. Puppy. Yo everyone, look at the snow around me. Woo! This is my first snowfall and I'm so excited. Wow. Just amazing. I don't have any words. Just amazing. That's all I can say. Hey Nikunj bhai, wanna say something?
Hello everyone, how are you? देख रहे हो यहाँ पे स्नोफॉल हो रहा है हमें मनाली में. You can test this, you can play with it, you can make a ball and
Throw at each other.
yeah, it's like a snow fight.
Wow.
Dust and clear my throat. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
Hey everyone, it's our day 2 here in Manali. Yesterday we had hoped to go to Solang Valley, but due to high snowfall we weren't able to reach there. And today the mountain, look at this, it's covered by snow. That mountain is covered by snow. There was a heavy snowfall here, and so today we are hoping to go to Jogni Falls, or if possible we'll try to reach Solang Valley again, but I don't think it's possible because even the snow is still falling. So yeah, peace. Hi everyone, we are here at Jana waterfalls, I guess. Look at the view. And why, I don't know why I am saying hey everyone, but look at this. It's wonderful, beautiful, just like Narnia. I don't know if you can see, but this snow is so much thick here. My whole shoe is under the snow and it's so much slippery. Let me clean my lens. Yep, this looks nice, and I don't know, I have made my clothes dirty somewhere. Hey, so in second day we have come here at Jana waterfall, and it's currently snowing here. Snow, rain, snowfall. Yeah, snowfall. Snowfall is the word for it. I was saying raining of snow, but it would sound weird, And I mean, like, this place is so much awesome. Well, I'm gonna beep that part out, but just look at the view. It's like the Narnia, the first movie, of course. And snow has got stuck and damaged my lens. Hi, as you can see, my hands are frozen now. I think it's time to go back. Whew. I'm wet, like not like in that way wet, but due to water wet. Okay, bye. Hello guys, it's our day 3 here in Manali, and currently we are trekking for the Bijli Mahadev. Hi Nikun bhai.
Hello everyone.
And Meru bhai is there. Nikun bhai, can you give specifics about this trek?
Yes, ये महादेव का मंदिर है, बिजली महादेव सबसे हाइट पे मंदिर है। और यहाँ से 2 से 3 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक करके महादेव की ओर जाएंगे। स्नोफॉल भी होगी रास्ते में, और रास्ता भी आप देख रहे हो कितना डिफिकल्ट है।
This is the way. This is the view. I guess I'll stop this because I have to save battery. Otherwise, I'll just uncharge everything because everything here looks so awesome. So, see you at top. This is the way to Bijli Mahadev. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry, but I have so much heavy bag with me, and I'm like, I was sitting there shamelessly like that. Oh frack, because I have 2 cameras, 2 GoPros, a power bank, and so much stuff which is so much heavy, and I'm just lifting it up. Look at me carrying my jacket. Another jacket is in bag. 2 jackets are in the bag. I don't know why, but I think it was a bad idea to bring so much weight to this track. But the views are worth it. Just look. It's nice. Hey everyone, we are here at Bijli Mahadev. Look at the view. I don't know if you can see, but down there's Kulu Airport. Snowfall has started here at Bijli Mahadev, and we have to run back otherwise, because look at this cloud. The weather is gonna get drastically bad. Currently snowfall is going on. I don't know if you can see it. What?
ऐसा है मेरो जी,
बढ़िया है।
ये क्या खा रहे हो जी?
मोमोज।
अरे मोमोज है,
फ्राइड
चाय।
मोमोज है।
अरे बढ़िया।
चाय।
शिव जी, हेलो शिव जी,
Hello.
कैसे हो आप?
Fine. Little bit tired.
अच्छा, लिटिल बिट टायर्ड। और क्या खा रहे हो?
Maggie. Chai.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, यस यस। गाइस, हम यहाँ पे अभी बिजली माली का ट्रैक करके हम दर्शन करके आए हैं। काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड है और स्नोबॉल भी हो रही है, तो हम अभी गर्मा गर्म चाय और मैगी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
Hey guys, this was the route to Bijli Mahadev.
जाए।
क्या? Eclairs. Thank you. So this was the route. As you can see, it's completely covered by snow, and I'm like, I didn't vlog when I was climbing because I was exhausted and I was completely out of breath. But now it's, you know, it's possible. I can finally catch my breath here. What the heck? It's slippery. What? Well, the road is so much slippery. I think I must focus on the road. Slippery roads, slippery roads. I hope I don't fall and break my camera.